back with another one. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and comment notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's jump right into the chart. Alright, for Tesla purposes, we got Tesla pulled up and we on the 1 day. Alright, we on the 1 day. So let's see what we have here. Okay, I'ma clear this out right here. So now I want to give you a rundown of what's going down. So we have support here at 342.97. 342.97. We on the 1 day. Let's give you a rundown. So we on the downtrend right here. High, low, lower high, lower low, equal highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it go all the way down to the low. Then it break this level right here, which makes it which make it will shift the market in another direction. So this is what they call market shift or market structure. So boom, I know once it broke 365.29, it was on the uptrend. So boom, it went here, came back, pulled back, then it went here. Once it broke this level again, so let's drop down to the 4 hour. Once it broke this level, now I know that we on a uptrend with conviction. Okay, so now boom, we got the lows, highs, lower lows, equal highs, equal lows, higher high. So then we have the, let's see, we have the higher low right here. So I know that we're going up, so I won't even be focused on a put. So now we broke this level. It just broke my level that I recently had made. Now this where it get critical. You want to drop down, skip the 30, skip the 15, and drop down to the 5 minute. So now we know this level was breached right here. So now put this note right here so everybody can know. Volume equals conviction. This is an indication that the market made up its mind which way it want to go. So we know that once you see a spike in the volume in a certain direction, then that's the way the market want to go. So let's see here, and we're gonna look to, I always look left. I made an acronym for it. It's all. Always look left. So let's go back to the 4. Boom. And let's see our next level. Oh, we have it right here. It's at 435.88. Should be our next level. If we break this, then it's going to 435.88. Let's make a note of this. Boom. If we break this, we're going to 435.88. Okay. Let's see what we have. And you want to always be mindful of what the news is telling you. You don't want to go off the news. You just want to be aware of what they're saying. So let's go here and see what we're saying. Say Tesla sold 25K cars in China in April, down 10% year on year. Shanghai Planet Sport 53. Alright, into stock. Tesla stock is starting to rise, run higher. Thank China AI. So we know that it got potential to go up. So Tesla was just down $10. Now it's back. I already made my profit for today. I'm just giving you a rundown for tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay. Now we want to go, and once it breaks this level, then this is a buy signal right here. Remember this 427.07, 429.15. 429.15 is a buy signal for Tesla. So I want y'all to take note of that and just be mindful of what's going down in the market today. And you know, Tuesday will always have volume. Tuesday will have a lot of volume in the first 30 minutes to an hour. Remember that for beginner traders. Tuesday will have the most volume in the first 30 minutes to an hour. Okay? So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and click the notification bell to make sure you be notified on all the videos that I upload. Help this video get at least 10 likes. Until next time, take care.